Hey there! Want to draw this dreamy rainbow scene? It's super easy, and for beginners, it takes less than 30 minutes to complete. Stay with me through this 9-minute video, and I'll show you how to use simple tools to create a professional-looking artwork. I'm Mani and welcome to my channel, where we turn simple materials into magical art. Let's begin! To start, I powder a colored pencil using a tea strainer. Then, I take half of a tissue, fold it 5 times, and use it like a brush. Now, let's color the sky, leaving the cloud areas blank. See how the clouds naturally pop out? It's amazing! I truly think this is the easiest way to draw a cloudy sky in the history of art. Fast, fun, and I guarantee you'll love the result. Now that we're done with colored pencils, it's time for oil pastels. You can also use soft pastels if you prefer. Red is the first color of the rainbow. We'll draw each line and blend it with a cotton swab or tightly folded tissue. Then move on to the next color. Be gentle. Don't press the pastel stick too hard. Just follow along with me. To lighten the colors, you can add white. Make sure to use a clean cotton swab or tissue for each color to keep things bright and clean. Once the rainbow is done, I add some distant clouds using gray colored pencil powder. was yellow ochre and light green for a distant field. Next, I draw a flower field. I'm using pink oil pastel to begin. Be careful not to blend into the green. Pink and green make muddy brown, which we don't want here. Let some white gaps remain. They look like small white flowers scattered through the field. Let's add some trees, starting with light green. And finishing with shadow green. To finish, I use white gouache to add flowers over the rainbow. And some highlights on the trees. Once it dries, I add pink on top of the flowers and blend them in. I really hope you enjoyed painting with me today. If this video helped or inspired you, please hit the like button and share it with someone who might enjoy it too. It really helps more people find these tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun, colorful, and beginner-friendly art projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.